hope you're all doing well. Today I'm going to be reviewing this Beetles dip powder. I got this from Amazon for about $19 or $20. I'll leave the link down below, and also I know it's been a while, so bear with me. These are the set of tools that come with the kit. It's technically a starter kit. It has this cuticle pusher and this brush and this nail file. It comes with these 4 bottles and they are numbered so you know which step to do at which time. Comes with the base coat, activator, and the top coat, then the brush saver. It comes with 8 dipping powders. Each of the dipping powders is sealed when you get it. I just opened it because I wanted to see what all the colors look like. There is a good amount of product in here, so you will be able to use this many times. The colors that it comes with is clear, pink, dark pink, mauve, black glitter, gray, white, and silver glitter. And this is the application guide that comes with the step-by-step instructions on how to apply the dip powder. I prepped my nails by filing, buffing, and pushing my cuticles back. Then I wiped off all the dust with an alcohol pad. Okay, so I'm gonna start with the light pink powder. Step 1, you apply the base coat to your nail. You try not to put it all the way back to your cuticles because you don't want it to get stuck back there, and it dries pretty quickly. Then you dip your finger into the powder at a 45-degree angle. You wait about 30 seconds and then you brush off all the powder back into the little bottle. Then you repeat that step again and you dip it and wait. As I was waiting for it to dry, I was kind of cleaning the brush on the napkin that I had there before I brushed on another coat again, because I didn't want the powder residue going back inside the bottle. I dipped the nail a total of 3 times to make the powder completely not see-through, and then I repeated the same steps with the silver glitter color, which was really pretty. After I did like the 2nd or 3rd nail, then I realized that bottle number 4 was supposed to be for cleaning the brush. It's the brush saver, so in between applications, you're supposed to dip the brush in there to remove the excess powder. Okay, so after you apply the 3 coats of the liquid and powder, you use a coat of activator, and that will harden all the powder that you used. You wait about 20 seconds and then you file, shape, and buff the nail to your liking, and then you dust off your nail and you apply another layer of activator. Then you wait about 30 seconds for it to dry. For the last step, you apply the top coat and you wait about 30 seconds and then apply another layer of top coat and then wait about 2 minutes. In between the first and the second layer, just for my middle finger, I applied these rhinestones, and then on my other hand I just couldn't resist and I had to try another color, so I tried like the mauve color, which came out really pretty. I actually had an easier time doing my right hand, but then again, by the time I got to my right hand, I kind of had all the steps down packed and I was able to do it a lot easier and faster. So this is super easy, and I like that you don't need a UV lamp or anything like that. Like once this dries in 2 minutes, it's hard and like you're ready to go. So this is the final look. Of course, I applied some cuticle oil at the end, but this is it. I think I did okay for my first try. If you guys enjoyed watching, please give it a thumbs up. That helps share it all around YouTube. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. Share this video with your family. Share this video with your friends. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye!